Hey, it's Melissa. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. Today's video is going to be the what is in my Jeffree Starr Valentine's Day mystery box. So if that's something that you are interested in seeing, please keep watching and let's get right into the video. If you're not familiar with the Jeffree Starr mystery boxes, the ones for Valentine's Day came in two sizes, premium and deluxe. I picked up the premium size, which was $40 plus for me $12 shipping, so a total of $52. And there are 6 items in here. I believe 5 makeup items and 1 exclusive item specifically for this box. So as you can see, beautiful red Valentine's Day packaging with the pink Jeffree Starr logo. And on the inside, everything is wrapped in pink tissue. And then let's see what's in here. And this is what it looks like on the inside. So I have seen quite a few unboxings of the previous Jeffree Starr mystery boxes, and some people got some things that were really a little bit out there for me. So I'm hoping that everything in here I will like, but it's a mystery. So you get what you get and you don't get upset. So let's see what's in the box. First thing is the Jeffree Starr pop socket, red pop socket with the white Jeffree Starr logo, and I believe this is the exclusive item, or at least it was in the last set of boxes. And then first out is the Jeffree Starr Skin Frost highlighter, and this one is in Regina George. So I am not familiar. It looks like by the label it's going to be pink. And I love the Jeffree Starr packaging. Oh, it is. So this is the pink highlighter. It looks super bright pink. I don't know how it's gonna look on the skin. I'll see if I can swatch it. So this is the color, and that is 2 swipes. So pretty good color payoff. It is a beautiful pink. I am gonna have to try it on my cheeks, but I think that I could use it perhaps as a blush topper, and as a highlighter. So I will definitely give that one a try. And then the other 4 items in the box are lippies, which are my favorite. So let's see what we have. And this is where I get a little nervous because I know that some of the colors in the other boxes were maybe not something I would wear. So first up is the Velour liquid lipstick. And I love the outside packaging. This one is in Can't Relate, which looks like a really nice light nude color. And look at the packaging on this. Such a pretty sparkly package. And let me sweat that for you, swatch it. Okay, so that is a very, very nice light nude color. Not sure how much it's gonna show up on my lips, but it might be really great over lip liner or a darker lip to lighten it up just a little bit. And next out of the box is again another of the Velour liquid lips, and this one is in Clout, which looks like a shimmery purple, which is one of my favorite colors, as you can tell by the sweater I'm wearing. It is. Look at that color. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let's swatch this one. It would be perfect with what I'm wearing today. Okay, so I love shimmery and I love purple, and this one is fabulous. I also think it would be great to use as an eyeshadow color. So far we are 3 for 5 on things that definitely will get a lot of use. Then we have another Velour liquid lip, and this one is in Watermelon Kiss, Watermelon Soda. Sorry, I can't see without my glasses on. And this is also in the great Jeffree Starr Velour liquid lipstick packaging, and it is a corally, looks like a bright coral color. Wow, that has great pigmentation, and it is a reddish corally color that I think is going to be fabulous in the summer. And then the last thing in the box is a lip ammunition lipstick, and this is in the color Jeffree's Girl, and it looks like it's going to be a very bright pink. And I love the packaging on this one. This is definitely very bright. But again, looks like it'll be so nice for the summer. So that is what we got in this Jeffree Starr mystery box. And we are 5 for 5. I'm so happy with everything that we got. The cost on this is $29 for the Skin Frost, $18 each for the Velour liquid lipstick, and $18 for the lip ammunition, making the box $101, not counting the pop socket, which I think is fabulous for a $40 box. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you got the Jeffree Starr mystery boxes, please let me know in the comments down below what you received. Did you love it? Did you not love it? Are there some things that are way too far out for you? And if you have recommendations on any other brand of mystery boxes and or mystery bags, let me know that as well. Thanks for stopping by. And please subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye.